Right, so first job that we're going to do on this fan, we've got this toolbox, just had this delivered. Do you want to just go in there? Nice little roller cabinet one. It's a little bit smaller than the one I've got in the school door, but nice drawers and things. And we've got this bottom cupboard for storage. It's a bit smaller than the one, like I say, width-wise, but we're going to make it fit. It fits nicely in here. So if you come around this side, I'll show you what we're going to have to do. We've marked the position where it goes. That's where it's going to be, right up against that bulkhead. But what we've got underneath here, see if I can tip this over without trashing it. Can you get the camera under there? That's all hollow, so if we screw it down, it's just going to sort of pull down on this top. So what we're going to do is we're going to fit a couple of wooden blocks. I'll just pop this down. I'll grab that. So we've cut a couple of pieces of CLS that'll fit in that gap there. That will basically hold the cabinet in place. So we'll be able to work out where they need to go, and we're going to fix those down, one there, one that side. Then we should be able to just lift that cabinet on and put a couple of screws through these two holes here, what we've drilled, and they should secure it down to there, stop it from moving. Right, so I've got the wooden blocks fitted in place there, centralised them from front to back. I've took about 5mm off because there's a little bit of a lip on this where it folds under. So I think what we'll do now, we'll just lift that cabinet on, just check that it's somewhere near before this glue sets up, so I've got a chance to remove it if I've got it wrong. Right. Right, so that fits quite nice. I think what I'm going to do now, I'm happy with it, I'm going to put an extra couple of screws through there so it's got a good fix to this bit of ply on the floor. So this will give it a little bit extra grip. I don't think it's going anywhere, like. Fire these screws in. What we might have to do, we might have to put a couple of packers on here, because that's sitting a bit higher, that steel on that cabinet, so it doesn't like pull it down, you know. I'll measure it, I'll see what I've got. That's better. Lovely. Right. Right, so what we're going to do, this is CLS timber, that's 38mm, and I've measured, I'm going to put the camera down there, I'll show. I've measured the inside of there, which is 40... What did I say? 46mm, didn't I? Yeah, 46mm, and that's 38. So we basically have an 8mm gap that we want to fill up, so that when we put the screws in, it's actually pulling tight. So I should be able to make that up with these spaces here. So I'll have a look, see what size. Well, that's a 5mm on 2 4s. Really, you don't know a 5 and a 3. What size is them? Oh, the size of them yellow ones. I can say 4mm. So yellow's a 4. So we could stick 2 of them. In fact, I'll lop them in half. I think that's what we'll do. We'll put. I don't think there's any already 8mm. I think the thickest one's 6. So we'll do that. Right, I'll go and lop these in half. We're not wasting too many, and then I'll be back with you and we'll get them glued on and get this lifted in place then. Right, we'll just pop these in a bit of glue so we don't lose them, about where the screw's going to go through. Well, it's about right. Right, I'm doing the same on that side. Now that one's glued down. Hopefully this will work out exactly right. Sit them in about 10 mil off that.
10 mil.
Off that edge, yeah, that'll be all right.
Like that.
Alright, will do.
And a bit of glue on top of that.
I stick with the dub just to stop the moving while we lift it. While we lift it on. And hopefully that'll hopefully sit nice and secure. If needs be, you might have to put a bracket on the back of there, not there, but I think that should be fine with them. Good stuff. Right, let's get this cabinet lifted on. Right, lift it well above these packers. Yeah. Straight over and on. Alright. Look to me a little bit. Is your end going down? There. Right, just check what we like. Is it sitting flush to the floor? I think that's about right, isn't it?
Aye.
What we like. Is it squared up to the back of there? Aye, aye. Mint. Right, just need to whack some pilot rolls through here and we'll screw it down to the blocks.
Yep,
Right. Right, I'm just going to pop a pilot roll through these packers. Hopefully they won't spin. That's about it. Then I'll get these 40 mil screws. Just check this is going to work without spinning them all. Go straight through there into that CLS. It's pulled down nice, I think that's alright. To be honest, might even not have to pilot drill them bits of plastic, but I'll do it just to be on the safe side. About right, you can see just pulling that metal down, but that's, yeah, it's pretty good. Right, I'll do the same on the other side, then we'll see if it's all nice and tight. Bit of an angle there, but I've dropped one of them screw cap cover things. Where I'll put that. Don't want to tighten it up too that till the torque setting down on 12. It's alright. Check it with that. Solid, it's only got 3 screws in. Spot on. Where have I put that other? Dropped it somewhere, haven't I? Here it is, hiding away from us. Look at that camouflage, right. Back down there. I'll see you around that side. We'll get this last screw in. Tight, to be fair. Nice. Little black covers just finished off, won't it? Right. It's alright. I hope that's not going to rattle against there. I might have to put something down there, like a bit of rubber or felt or something, if that rattles when we're driving, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Well, that's about it for now. Job done.